Hey, if there's one thing to know about this grout cleaner is that it works really, really well. In order to show you, here's the before of my shower. There's a lot of mildew, a lot of black spots throughout, looking pretty rough. So we needed something that was going to be easy to apply and really, really effective because we had a bit of a problem on our hands here. And so here's the before and here is the after, the exact same spot. It was easy to apply. It's a gel you put down when the shower is dry. And we used this OXO brush that was really great for getting in the scrubbing of the small parts of the grout. And then you just let it sit there for a few hours, scrub it a little bit, rinse it off, and it did a really good job. As you saw, we had a serious problem on our hand. There's a few spots we need to touch up on, but for our first application of a big job, it did really, really well. This is a great product. Got rid of the mildew. Highly recommend you check it out.